Alright, fifth graders, here are the notes I would like you to complete for the volcanoes video lesson. Hopefully you got some of these as the video was going on, but if not, have no fear. That's why we're making a video. So the first one was the definition of a volcano. A volcano is a mountain that extends down to a pool of magma between the crust and the mantle. So again, a volcano is a mountain that extends down to a pool of magma between the crust and the mantle. Then I wanted you to label a couple different types of volcanoes. The first one is the first one we talked about, which is a composite volcano. The next one is a cute little one called the cinder cone. And the last one that doesn't really look like a volcano, but is a volcano, is a caldera. Now, the next thing we need to do is identify 3 things that form volcanoes. So 2 of these are ones we talked about in our plate tectonics, which are subducting plates and diverging plates. Subducting plates. And you can even draw a picture if that helps you remember. That's where one is going this way, one's going underneath. And then diverging plates. Those are going apart. Now the last one is the hot spots. That's kind of an oddball out. Hot spots, kind of like Hawaii, just a random hot mantle plume. All right, now the next one is kind of up to you. It says, explain what happens during an eruption. Write 2 to 3 sentences. I'm going to write something along the lines of magma pressure builds up under the volcano, and then the magma moves through the vent to erupt at the surface. So the lesson video is a good one for this one, as well as that New York Times short 2-minute, 3-minute video that I've also posted with this one. So I'm going to pause, I'm going to fill in my sentences, and then I'll hit play. Alright, so here are my last 2 notes that I decided to do. So I also said, like I said, magma pressure builds up underneath the volcano, and then the magma moves through the vent to erupt at the surface. I also went ahead and I just did my before and after pictures of a volcano. So I wanted you to predict, how does the landscape change? So you can either list a couple of things that can happen, or you can draw a before and after picture. I showed you a couple of those in the lesson video. So totally up to you if you want to use your wonderful artistic skills like I did. These are supposed to be an ice-covered mountain with some trees. And then afterwards, all those trees got knocked down. All the erosion right in here, and then lots of ash and smoke coming out afterwards. So your choice. These are your notes. They're supposed to help you study. Thank you for following along. Thank you for doing a nice job. You've got one more set of notes this week. Thank you.